Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to be with you today as we meet at a pivotal moment for the global economy. A moment defined by rapid transformation, shifting geopolitics, and evolving investment dynamics. In such times, international collaboration isn't just important, it's essential. Because when we strengthen trade ties and when we innovate across borders, and when we align on shared priorities, we unlock great opportunities. We can build sustainable growth, attract strategic investment, and create lasting value across regions and generations. I'm delighted to speak about Cyprus as a trusted partner in the Eastern Mediterranean. Cyprus holds a unique strategic position, geographically at the crossroads of Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, and economically as a full member of the European Union. That means access to over 450 million consumers within a stable framework that supports business, protects investment, and enables long-term planning. But beyond access, Cyprus offers predictability. Our legal and regulatory environment is aligned with EU standards. Our governance is transparent, and our policies are designed with one clear goal: to make it easier for businesses to grow, scale, and succeed. Our economy continues to perform strongly. In 2024, Cyprus achieved a GDP growth of 3.4%, one of the highest rates in the Eurozone. All major credit rating agencies have placed Cyprus firmly in investment grade A, and these upgrades reflect much more than statistics. They reflect the global confidence in the strength, resilience, and reliability of our economy. We're also moving fast on digital transformation. Cyprus ranks 7th in the EU Digital Intensity Index, and we lead the EU in ICT specialist growth at over 17% annually compared to the EU average of just 4%. This progress, of course, is not accidental. It is a result of bold economic policies and strategic decisions put forward by the government, boosting our global competitiveness. These policies align with our vision for a future that guarantees long-term prosperity both for business and citizens alike. Our growth is built on our strategic partnerships, specifically with Greece and Israel, reinforcing the Eastern Mediterranean's position as a hub of resilience, innovation, and strategic importance. Furthermore, with the launch of the US-Cyprus Strategic Dialogue back in 2024, our bilateral relationship with the US entered a new phase, grounded in shared values, mutual interests, and practical cooperation across sectors. For US investors, Cyprus is more than a bridge to the EU. It's a reliable partner with a clear agenda and a long-term view, and therefore, the 3+1 cooperation framework strengthens ties across energy, security, and commerce. We can confidently say that Cyprus is built for business, offering unique advantages. We offer one of Europe's most competitive corporate tax regime, more than 65 double tax treaties, no capital gains on tax on the sale of securities, and an attractive IP regime for firms working in software, patents, and other intellectual property. Fintech companies benefit from real innovation support, like the CySec regulatory sandbox, as the President mentioned earlier, and the Central Bank Innovation Hub, a platform to test new technologies and scaling capabilities. Companies enjoy seamless access to the EU single market through a robust passporting regime, making Cyprus ideal for companies looking to scale up across Europe. At Invest Cyprus, we are aligned with the country's Vision 2035, and we remain firmly focused on our mission to position Cyprus as a credible, competitive, and compelling choice for international investment. We work with investors from first point for first contract through expansion, supporting sectors from tech and education to healthcare, energy, and sustainable living. We offer promotion, facilitation, and aftercare, not just to attract investments, but to help them thrive and to ensure our investors become ambassadors for Cyprus in the global business community. In closing, I would like to say that we are ready to serve alongside Greece and Israel as a gateway, linking the US to the EU and broader Mediterranean. Our collaboration can harness the strategic opportunities that the Eastern Mediterranean hub offers. And we invite you, our friends and partners, to explore the opportunities ahead. Thank you.